Load your family into the 2020 Jeep Compass. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.